Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on Pixiv. You click on settings, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Pixiv app. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. You will enter to storage. You will click on clear cache. You will click on Play Store. You will search for Pixiv app. You will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.